A natural slug-repelling mix, a trick passed on to me by an old gardener. You can also use it as an eco-friendly fertilizer. I've been using it regularly since last season, and I have to say, the results are amazing. Slugs, especially the shellless ones, can do serious damage by chewing through leaves, stems, roots, and even flowers. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of used coffee grounds. The strong aroma keeps slugs away, and the caffeine it contains can actually affect their nervous system, making them avoid the area. Then add 3 tablespoons of sawdust. Its rough, uneven texture irritates the soft bodies of slugs and soaks up moisture from the soil, creating an environment they hate. Next, add 3 tablespoons of wood ash. It also dries out the soil surface and makes it even harder for slugs to move. Plus, it's rich in potassium and calcium, which naturally enrich the soil. Finally, crush 1 eggshell and add it to the mix. The sharp pieces act as a barrier and also release calcium into the soil, improving its structure and nourishing your plants. Stir everything thoroughly and sprinkle a thin layer around your garden beds. There's no need to overdo it. Just mark a clear line that slugs won't want to cross. This natural method is cheap, effective, and completely safe for your garden. Instead of throwing away kitchen scraps, turn them into a natural fertilizer that will strengthen your garden. It's not only budget-friendly, but also a great way to reduce waste. Potato peels contain potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, minerals that support healthy plant growth, improve soil structure, and boost yields. With their help, plants grow better, become more resistant to diseases, and produce more. This natural fertilizer is perfect for organic gardening. To make it, pour hot water over the peels in a ratio of about 1 to 10. Let it cool, then strain. Water your plants with the liquid every 3 weeks. Regular use improves soil quality and strengthens the root system. You'll notice results after just a few uses. The soil becomes richer and the plants grow fuller and greener. This homemade fertilizer works great in vegetable and fruit gardens, as well as on allotments or balconies. The aphids disappeared after just 1 use. You won't find this in any store. All it takes is a few minutes and a homemade spray made from ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Aphids suck the sap from plants, weakening the leaves and making them more vulnerable to damage. Here's a simple way to make an organic solution that gets rid of pests in your garden. Pour about 1 1/4 cups of vinegar into a tall container. Vinegar disinfects and repels with its strong smell. Now add 1 tablespoon of neem powder, a natural ingredient from the neem tree that repels pests without harming plants. Next, add half a tablespoon of hot red pepper. It contains capsaicin, which has a strong smell and taste. Then add half a tablespoon of ground black pepper. The intense aroma drives aphids away. Add a little liquid soap to help the solution stick to the plants. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few hours. After that, strain the mixture through cheesecloth. Add some water, then pour it into a spray bottle. This mixture works great on both vegetables and flowers. It's fast, natural, and effective. Use it as soon as you spot aphids. Make a pink elixir for your plants. They'll be bushier than ever. Start by preparing a tall glass container. The key ingredient for this fertilizer is potassium permanganate, a substance with strong antiseptic and oxidizing properties. Add a small amount to the container, then pour in water and mix well. Next, take a lemon and cut it in half. Lemon is a natural pH regulator that helps plants absorb nutrients. In another container, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This amazing ingredient helps neutralize excessive soil acidity and improve soil structure. Squeeze half the lemon into the container with the baking soda. Now, take the pink potassium permanganate solution and pour most of it into the container with the baking soda and lemon to achieve the right concentration. Then strain the fertilizer through a sieve to prevent lemon seeds from getting into the solution. Your pink elixir is ready. Use it once every 3 or 4 weeks, watering the plants at the base. With this natural fertilizer, your plants will become stronger, healthier, and more resistant to diseases. Try this method and see the spectacular results. This is the secret to beautiful flowers and thriving plants in your garden. If you've never used this before, you need to start now. I'll show you how and why it works. It's an excellent natural fertilizer for many plants. First, take a cube of yeast. Get a container and pour in some water. Break the yeast into smaller pieces. It can even be expired yeast that you would normally throw away. Stir well until it fully dissolves with no lumps. Once mixed, let the solution sit for 15 minutes. To use it, dilute 1 quart of yeast water in 2.5 gallons of clean water. Yeast is much cheaper than chemical fertilizers and far healthier. Just water your plants with this mixture, and you'll see stronger, more vibrant blooms. Repeat the yeast fertilization every 2-3 weeks, and you'll notice the difference. Natural energy drops for abundant harvests and strong cucumber fruits. This is the best homemade fertilizer that will strengthen the plants and improve their resistance. Pour about 1 quart of water into a pot. It's best to use rainwater, which is natural, soft, and free from chlorine. Add 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Honey is a natural prebiotic that supports the growth of beneficial soil bacteria. It helps the roots absorb nutrients more efficiently, which speeds up plant growth. The next ingredient is iodine. Iodine has strong antiseptic properties. It protects cucumbers from fungi and bacteria, boosting their immunity. Add a few drops to the water. You can also add a bit of baking soda, which acts as a natural pH regulator for the soil. Mix everything vigorously to combine the ingredients and create an active solution. Water the cucumbers with this fertilizer once every 10 days, preferably in the morning or late afternoon. Thanks to this mixture, the soil becomes more fertile, the roots stronger, and the cucumbers firm and plump. This simple combination of natural ingredients acts as a growth booster. No chemicals, no costs, and a huge benefit for your garden. Do this urgently in August. You can extend your vegetable harvest by up to 3 weeks. Your plants will keep producing until fall, and it only takes 2 simple kitchen ingredients. In a small bowl, pour in 7 ounces of cold water. This will be the base of the mix. Now add honey. It's not just a natural sweetener, it's packed with nutrients that help plants too. It supports beneficial soil microbes and boosts plant immunity. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and stir until fully dissolved. The next ingredient is baking soda. It acts as a natural pH balancer and helps fight fungi and bacteria. In the right amount, it also encourages strong root growth. Add a pinch of baking soda and mix again. In a larger bowl, pour in about 1 quart of water. Add the honey and soda mixture and stir gently. Use this natural fertilizer to water your tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. The best time is once a week in the morning, before the sun gets too hot. This mix promotes blooming, strengthens roots, and can extend the fruiting period by several weeks. Your plants will be stronger and produce more. Don't wait. August is your last chance to give your vegetables a natural boost before fall. Just place this in vole tunnels, and they'll quickly leave your garden. These small rodents can seriously damage your plants overnight. Their presence is revealed by small holes in the ground, leading to underground tunnels. Let me show you some natural ways to keep them away effectively. A great and simple method is using fresh walnut leaves. Just insert them directly into the holes. They contain juglone, a compound that repels mammals. Black elder branches are also effective. As they decompose, they release prussic acid, which drives rodents away. You can also use items straight from your kitchen. Fresh garlic gives off a strong scent that voles avoid. Simply peel a head of garlic and place 1 clove into each hole. It's also worth pouring half a packet of ground cinnamon into the tunnels. Its strong aroma is a great repellent. If you don't have cinnamon, cayenne pepper works just as well. These are proven, natural methods to repel voles without using chemicals. Simple, affordable, and effective, and your garden will be safe again.